Welcome to Moss Review. Today we're going to do an unboxing, test, and review of the air purifier. We're going to do a PM 2.5 test. We're also going to do a fan test and an audio test. So we're just going to do unboxing and then test and review. Okay, so the unit pretty much comes with the air purifier, the remote, user manual, and then some please refer to instruction, some information, and then how the true HEPA filtration works. And so we're just going to look at how to change the air filter, and then we'll do some tests. Okay, to change the air filter, what you're going to want to do is make sure you unplug the power, flip the air unit, and you'll notice that here it has a little where it tells you to unlock and lock. So you unlock it. There's the air filter. Now, to change it, you just put it in and you go left. Make sure you have it locked, and then you flip it. And that's how you change the air filter. Now, we're going to play with the remote, also some of the dials here, and then we'll do some tests. Okay, so now we're going to show how the air filter works manually. Okay, the power on button's right here, located at the very left. Now, there are 5 options. 1, 2 for fan speed, 3 turbo, and then auto. You can also put it in night mode. Now, there's also a timer. Here, let's see, got a night mode that you can put, and it goes up to 12 hours. You can also lock it if you have kids. Okay, next we're going to check out the remote. Now, for the remote, you just press power on. Same thing, fan speed. There's the night mode. And you can tell it's pretty responsive. It's actually, I think, a little bit more responsive than the touch screen. Then you can lock it. So that's pretty much how the remote works. Now we're going to do several tests. Okay, first test we're going to do is the audio. So we're going to see how loud it gets at speed 1 and then turbo. So pretty much 59 close to 60 on speed 1. Now we're going to go up to turbo. So 79 close to 80. So it does get a little loud. Okay, next we're going to do is fan speed. So first fan speed we're going to do is test fan speed 1. Here, let's move this. Okay, now I'm going to turn it up to turbo. So it gets up to 2.8. Now we're going to test the PM levels. Okay, so this is the PM levels without anything on. Now it's going to take a while to calibrate. We'll just wait a second. Looks like pretty much it's calibrated. Now we're going to do fan 1. It should go down though. See how far it goes down with fan 1. And then we'll do it turbo. So 4.5. Okay, now we're going to do turbo. Now I should go down significantly. So let's turn it off and then we'll see what it originally was without it. And so this is going to progressively just increase. It does take a minute to calibrate. And you'll notice it going up. So it went down to 4.4 at turbo. And it shouldn't be that high because we have an air purifier in here as well. So this should be at pretty standard levels. Okay, so now we're going to just do a review. Okay, so after testing the air purifier, what we found was really great air purifier. It has a little rubbers in the bottom, has handles to easily lift it. The fan's big enough where it provides a lot of air that pushes out, almost like a fan. And as you can tell from the test, it does push out a lot of air. You can literally use this to pretty much cool down your room as well. The air purifier works extremely well because it's circulating so much air. So this is more of a, for bigger rooms or determine on the house, big or middle or medium-sized rooms. Really think that the overall design is really good because as you can tell, it's breathing all the time because it has holes constantly throughout the whole unit. And so it's picking up and filtering all that air from, all 360 degrees. But really good unit. It is a little loud once it's in turbo mode. And, if you have this near a garage or something, if there's hole in or if there's enough room in the bottom of your door, it's going to push a lot of air because if it's on auto, we have one that does that. If it's near a garage, it'll just turn on and it's very loud. So it'll determine on where you put it. Medium-sized rooms, small rooms, I don't think that this will probably hit the turbo mode. It all depends if you're painting or you have chemicals or, doing certain things, then it might pick it up and go into turbo mode. But overall, great unit. I would say for the remote and everything and the controls, 5 out of 5. The remote's very responsive. It's actually faster than precedent on the actual unit. So 5 out of 5. The all air quality, I would say 5 out of 5. It definitely does clean the air quite a bit. Pretty much sound levels, I would say probably 2 or 3, 3 out of 5. I wish it was a little bit more quieter, but it does have a huge fan, so I can't fault it. But it does get quite loud. So if you're doing videography or on the phone or something, you might want to take out auto in case it does get loud. So 3 out of 5 for the air quality or the audio noise. And then there's also pretty much the overall unit. The overall unit, I would give like a 4.8 out of 5. Great unit, really enjoy it. I just wish that the audio level would just be a little less. It does get quite loud. I think that if you like loud air purifiers, or if you sleep with air purifiers and you like that humming or that loud noise, I think that this would be a great unit. I think it would remove or help you sleep better. But overall, just a great unit. I do think that this is more tailored to bigger rooms or medium-sized rooms. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Social media is down below in the description. I will have a link where to buy the air purifier, and we'll see you in the next video.